Welcome to 10 Minutes Mobility Everyday video. To start, interlace your fingers and have your palms forward. Slowly rotate your thoracic spine to one side, moving slowly, deliberately. Keeping your hands in line with the chest here, and move synchronously. Keep one leg bent and stretch the other one out. Point it as much as you can. Slowly lean forward and work your hand down towards the shin and to your ankle, gradually, bit by bit, lengthening the leg and the side of the torso. Have the opposite arm up, and as you gently pulse forward, bring the other arm up, gradually, gently as well. Change to the other side and repeat the same. Reach down from your shin to your ankle gradually, gently, without forcing anything. Letting the slight gradual movement take you there. When you're ready, bring the opposite arm up and slowly reaching a little bit further down each time. Come to having both legs straight now. Gently bend forward, flexing both feet here. Looking down. And slowly bring your arms back, arching your spine, looking up, pointing your feet. Again, flexing, curling down, and pointing, arching, looking up. Lengthen out as much as you can. Try to reach your hands a little bit further each time, from your shin towards your ankles. And arch a little bit more, looking up higher to the sky. Interlace your fingers, curl, straighten your elbows, and put your arms back, arching, looking up. Curl, palms face front, straighten your arms as much as possible, flexing your feet. Bring your arms behind, pointing your feet, straightening the legs more, looking up to the sky. Stack both legs together. Bend your knees, arching your spine and looking in the opposite direction from your knees. So bring your knees to the right and looking diagonally up to your left. As you bring your legs to one side, keep your knees as aligned as possible. Bend your legs, curl forward, melting your spine down, bringing your arms up, and slowly sweep your arms back here, arching your spine and lifting the pelvis a little bit. Again, keep the knees bent, bring your arms forward, curling your spine, swiping your arms back and lift up your pelvis. Again, arms forward, curling your spine down, Sweeping your arms back, lifting your pelvis and your chest up. Again, sweeping your arms forward, curling down. Sweeping your arms back here and bringing your pelvis and your chest up towards the sky. Do it in a continuous motion. Yes, gradually bringing your spine, your chest and your pelvis higher and higher, and try to hold for a few seconds up there, keeping your whole body parallel with the floor. And this wraps up the 10 minutes mobility video. I hope you like it. I'll be doing more and more short videos like that for mobility, for the full body that you can work on or you can move to every single day. Keep moving, keep getting better. I'll see you very soon in the next mobility video. Take care.